stairs because I'm standing against this all the way over there. See that fence right there? That's not only where I'm at. I'm way closer now. I'm gonna walk all through. If I can. Hold on, I'm gonna be as close as possible can.
This is good.
Right here. Oh, this is gonna be so loud, isn't it? I'm scared. What time is it?
12:19.
Oh, the things I get into for you guys. You go. Anytime. Anytime. When's it gonna go?
Anytime.
Oh, that bird's in bad luck. Is it gonna go? But it's all for nothing.
I don't hear any others yet.
What?
I don't hear any of the others yet either.
What time is it?
Well, it says 12:20, but I might not be exactly with it.
I want to get closer.
We can't go through that ditch of water.
Hold on, I know exactly where to be.
No. Come on, stop.
What? Here we go. Is it normally this long? Do you think it can move my ears? Or do you think it'll go off right I do?
I don't know. It's gonna go off.
Is it gonna go? Are you still recording? I know it works.
Maybe they're not testing it because they just said to use it 2 nights ago.
What?
Maybe they're not testing it because they already used it for warnings 2 nights ago.
Well, it could be it. Will I get a test? What? Come on, ambulance people, press the button! Press the button, just for me, please! Just press the siren, please! Please! Seriously, just press it, please! Ambulance people! Please just press the siren just for me! Even if it's just this only siren. Please! I won't let you guys down. I might get arrested for this part. I'm gonna try and climb up to the control and press the button on it.
No.
April Fools!
Oh, you scared me.
Wait, I bet I know why they're not testing it.
Why?
Because April Fools. From April Fools. It's an April Fool's joke, isn't it?
I don't know. Should have already tested.
You serious? Got 2 inches from bumped my arm on a power line.
No, shh.
Why? Where is it gonna go? Hello? I was right here!
I missed the first of it.
That was loud! Wow! Woo! Not run around just to be out there for the message. I guess they heard me. They pressed the button. Yay! What was it? Was it a test? Hello, Siren. Tell me what it was. There it goes.
This is a test of the Madison County Alert and Notification System. This is only a test. In the event of an actual emergency, you can tune to local radio stations for additional information and instructions. Once again, this is only a test.
Whoa! It's vibrating the power lines. Look at that. Whoa! That was not a bust after all. Peace out. Ow, my ears.